Hi, today I will spend some time here explaining or you can say discussing about the Stack Overflow on Stm32. The questions that induced me to make this video is what is stack and relation between stack and function call, what is Stack Overflow and how to detect Stack Overflow. So I'm not going to dive deep but we can give those topic a feather touch. I'm going to use a STM32 F103C86 Blueprint. Besides, I have a logic analyzer, which isn't that much necessary, but it seems cool to me to see a bunch of wires staggering on my desk. So let's get started. When a function is called, the data associated with the call is saved on a data structure, which name is call stack. Every time a function is called, a stack is also created. Stack overflows depends how much deep the call stack is. When Let me show you a code. Here you can see that in main function, I am calling f1 function, and in f1 function, the function itself is calling another function named f2. So if we want to dive deep, then you can see that the thing that is happening here is all about call stack. A main function calls a function named f1. The f1 function stack frame will be stacked on top of the main, and if f1 function calls another function, suppose named as f2, then f2 function stack frame will be stacked on the top of the f1. That's how the call stack gets deeper, and the stack size is affected by how deep the call stack is. If all the stack space allocated for the function is consumed by the function itself, then the stack overflow occurs. Free RTOs have some way to detect the stack overflow, and US task get stack high watermark is one of them. So basically it returns the unused thread stack, and we are going to see. So I've already written the code and did all the configuration, but now I'm going to just show you. So first of all, I just did I'm using the timer for as my time-based source, because whenever the time for underflows or overflows, then the ISR, which is interrupt service routine, gives the control to the OS scheduler. That's why I'm using the time for as a time-based source. Then go to the connectivity and enable the user 1, and you can see the PA9 is our TX pin. So then go to the free RTOs and select CMSS version 1, and go to the advanced settings, use new live regenerate enable it, and then go to the task section and create two tasks with different priorities. As you can see, the first task priority is normal and the second task priority is above normal, right? Now everything is fine. Go and save this and generate the code. Now go to the free RTOs config.h file, and you have to define some macros, and it is very much important to define those macros, otherwise it won't work. So go and write include ux task get stack high watermark, and write 1, and then also write the config check for stack overflow macro and define it with a value higher than 0, and then write config use trace facility and define it with a value higher than 0. Come to the main function, and you have to additionally write another function named b application stack overflow hook, and it will take two parameters, which is one task handle and the task name. So in this video I'm not going to use this function, but without mentioning or defining this function, this code will not compile, so I'm just writing it. And in the next video I will use this function, and basically it will do that when the stack overflow occurs, it will be a callback function. So basically you can see that here I'm define there is two tasks defined, and if you look closely to the task, each task stack size is 128. So if you look at the task, you can see clearly that I have declared a buffer, and also declared the size, and you can see the main course here, which is UX task get stack high watermark, and the parameter is null. Why I'm giving the parameter null? Because if you use this function inside a thread or task, then you don't have to pass any parameters. You just write null here, and it will just basically print out the unused text size. That's it. So if I compile and if I look at the logic analyzer, you can see that the result. That's all for today. I hope you have